Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Settings and choosing Security section after scrolling down. Over here. Then tap on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you, swipe pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, you need to enter your login method, choose Next at the bottom right corner, then repeat it and tap on Confirm. Over here, select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications by tapping on one of those options. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with Show All, so I have to click on it and save my choice by tapping on Done at the bottom right corner. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!